my channel. For those of you who might be new here, I'm a full-time working mom of 4 young children, and I absolutely love making videos on fashion, beauty, and a mommy lifestyle. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos linked down below, and consider subscribing to my channel as well. I will just say I recently just made 100 subscribers, and while that may not be a whole lot to many of you out there, for me that's a huge milestone. I put my heart and soul into these videos. I treat them really like a fun hobby, and it's really given me an outlet to communicate with all of you about things that I enjoy. And I'm really thankful that you all are sticking with me on this journey, and really appreciative of all your support. So thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. So for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you what was in my recent Ipsy bag. So this is the Ipsy bag for June of 2019, and I recently got this in the mail last week. And for those of you who might not be familiar, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you get 5 beauty products in a very cute cosmetic bag every month. And I just have a lot of fun trying out new products. It's kind of like the checkout line in Sephora where you can check out all of the cute travel size types of beauty products. Similar to that, I totally love getting these small size trial products to try out, and I don't have to commit to full size versions. So I just love everything about Ipsy, and I'm excited to share with you what I got this month. So here is my beautiful glam bag, and I have not opened it. This is a true unbagging. And I also don't really look at any of the email or flyers or mailers every month for spoilers, just because I want to be totally surprised when I open up this bag with you all. And I also, to be honest, just don't have time to go through any of those emails or mailers. So this is a true blinded unbagging today. And I'm just going to go ahead and break into this. Let's see what the bag looks like this month. It's this really fun geometric print. I have quite the collection of Ipsy bags, but this is a fun one. I think my daughter's actually going to really like this one. I may pass this along to her. It looks maybe kind of like a Tetris theme. See on the zipper there's this little, seems like a little Tetris figurine there. Really smooth zipper and really cute pop of color. And you know, I didn't realize this, but it truly is, looks like a Tetris collaboration. The lining in here says Tetris Ipsy. And I promise I really didn't know that ahead of time. I just kind of noticed this is the iconic Tetris type of block figure there. That's kind of cool. And it says, welcome to the block party, kicking off summer bright. And these rainbow hued glam bags are stocked with vibrant shades for the summer. And here's the little mailer that comes with it. So let's see what I got this month, and some fun stuff. I shouldn't peek in ahead of y'all, but let me see what the first thing is here. It looks like this is eau de parfum. It's a I Am Trash. I can't even pronounce this in French, but it's Le Feu du Déchet. And from Paris it looks like. Here's the container here. Looks kind of fancy. Looks like this is made out of upcycled ingredients, which is pretty cool. And the notes are bitter orange, apple, rose, cedarwood, and strawberry. So let's see how it looks here. Here's a little vial it comes in. So it's a sample size, but a pretty hefty sample size, as is the case for most Ipsy products. It's a little spray. I definitely get a little hint of strawberry. Kind of a fresh greeny scent as well. Not too overpowering. I think that's actually going to be really nice for summer. I'll have to be careful if I throw it in my bag that it won't spray into the bag, but I'm excited to use this summer, and nice little perfume as my first product. So let's see what else is in here. This is Tetris with Ipsy. Again, it sounds like it's this collaboration. It says it's my game. And it looks like it's going to be a lip balm. There's the packaging. And let's see. This is really pretty. And oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at this. The packaging is just gorgeous. And then look, it has a little center, which I imagine, at least for most lipsticks, that means it's kind of a moisture core. It's a little two-tone center there. And this is a beautiful shade. Look at that. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I'll swatch a little on here for you just to feel how smooth it is. So it's really a lip balm. I think there's really no color at all when I swatch it. And I'll just throw it over my current lipstick here. There's really no strong scent at all. Slight maybe coconut scent, but it goes on really smoothly. I swatched on my hand there and you can see a little bit of shimmer, but there's really no significant color. So it's truly a lip balm, I think, but it's super moisturizing. I wonder if they sell full-size products in this Tetris line. I think I'd be interested in it, at least based on first impressions. This is a really cool addition here. And I just love a very plain, clean lip balm, so excited to use this for sure. I have another brush. It's from Elizabeth Mott, all over shadow brush. Really pretty handle there with the blush color. There's a typical shadow brush. And as I said before, I tend to get a decent amount of brushes in my Ipsy bags. I don't really know why. So I really don't buy brushes anymore. I just kind of use what I have. I will say, if you're listening out there, Ipsy, I don't really need any more shadow brushes, though I have a ton of them. So I probably do need to go on the website and kind of modify my profile a little bit and maybe suggest no more brushes for a little bit of time, just because I have so many of them. But this is a really pretty one, and it feels really soft. So I'll definitely put it to use, although, you know, I definitely have quite a pile of them. And then the fourth product, okay, there's two more things in here. This is New Moisture Instant Fix. It looks like it's protector for the hair. It's a leave-in protectant that detangles, hydrates, and tames hair. And you're supposed to spray it on damp hair prior to styling. And you can also spray it on dry hair prior to using hot tools for additional thermal protection. So it's really a hair protectant moisturizer, and it's from the company Numa, which again I'm not familiar with. So that's the fun thing again about Ipsy, is you really can try these new brands and new products. So give it a try. I'm not really going to style my hair today, but just want to see how it feels. I don't really think there's any real scent to it at all. Maybe a little bit of a clean scent, but it feels nice in the hair. And as I said before, I'm going through a lot of hair issues, being still about 6 months postpartum now. And with a lot of drying, especially in the summer weather we've been having, and some hair loss. So hair products are really kind of my thing right now. So yeah, I'll give this one a try. It's a nice little sample size. And then I just have one final product, and it's a little one. I don't know what this is. Oh, one of my favorite foundations. So this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. It has SPF 15 sunscreen built into it. It's in the color medium sand. That's what it looks like. So I absolutely love this foundation. It's one of my favorites. It's sealed, so I won't open it now because I'm not gonna go ahead and start using it just yet. But I did have the full size, in fact super size version of this maybe about a year or so ago, which I completely worked through, which is pretty rare for me to fully work through a foundation. But I really liked it. I like the fact that there's some sunscreen built in. I think it applied very smoothly, was really long wearing, kind of good for you products as Tarte puts out. So I'm excited. It's a little version though, but I think this will be really great for travel, so I don't have to bring a whole vat of foundation with me. So I'm excited to bust into this later this summer when we do a little bit more traveling. But it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. Alright, so there you have it. The bag is empty. I love the lining, and really cool Tetris bag. My 4-year-old's gonna totally fall in love with this bag. So that was a really fun summer type bag, I think, that I got. Some cool products that I can try and very appropriate for this time of year as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you also subscribe to Ipsy and what cool products you got in your bag this month. If you have any questions about any of these products or questions about my experience with Ipsy, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, I thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll plan to see you again in my next video. Thanks, bye!